Hey guys, what's going on? Josh Elder here, and welcome to another video and another case study series. This is the first video of our most likely 3 to 4 part video case study series. In this video, we're going to be diving into the diabetes niche, okay? And you're going to notice that the way that I'm approaching this niche is going to be completely different than what most people would do when going out there and selecting a niche, selecting a product, and then doing keyword research and then promoting the product. Most people do, when they go and they promote a product, they do it in the same exact way, right? So I'm going to give you sort of a different perspective and a different angle that you can market products from. And again, this is to be used for ideas, not to copy, okay? I want you to model what I'm doing. It's the difference between being an entrepreneur and being an innovator and being an entrepreneur, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into the diabetes niche. So I'm over here at clickbank.com, and if you've been through the tube traffic selling system, you know what ClickBank is all about. And what I did is I just went to the remedies section in the health and fitness category. So I clicked on that, and I found a product called the Big Diabetes Lie, and it has 123.1 gravity, which is awesome. You earn $35.33 per sell. Now, what most people would do if they were promoting this product and they were brainstorming keywords, right? So we select the market, we select the niche, we select the product, and then we brainstorm topics and keywords. So then we can upload videos around those keywords and generate traffic from those videos, right? So this is what most people do is they go to youtube.com or go to the Google AdWords keyword planner right here. And they would just start brainstorming. They'd probably start by typing in, reverse diabetes, right? They type in reverse diabetes and they select get ideas, and they'd get some awesome ideas, right? They get some awesome ideas, diabetic diet. These are great keywords. But a lot of them are very, very competitive. So if we type in just like reverse diabetes, we've got 704,000 results, a lot of results. And if we were to really drill down on the competition and do all in title and then in quotes, we're still going to get right around 2,160, which is quite a bit. We want at least under, a couple hundred, I would say would be ideal. So instead of taking that approach and even, trying to rank for the product name, right, which again was the Big Diabetes Lie, right, the Big Diabetes Lie. So you can see there's 26,700 results just from broad match on the title. If we do like exact match or the phrase match here, we've got 1,700 results. So still quite a bit, quite competitive. And eventually we'll want to rank, for the product name keyword because it's going to give us really good quality of traffic. But we want to build our channel up to the point where we can more easily rank for more competitive keywords. So the strategy is we want to start with low-hanging fruit keywords that are easy to rank for, and then eventually work up to more competitive keywords, okay? So if we want to build a full-blown channel based around diabetes and diabetes health, start with less competitive keywords and then go for more competitive keywords. So what I decided to do is I started brainstorming. I'm like, okay, what other type of keywords would somebody be typing in that has diabetes? Well, a lot of these people, they're on medications, they're using certain devices, and there's all kinds of different devices that measure blood sugar. And what you can do is you can find these different brands online. Just type in, diabetes blood sugar testers. And you've got glucose monitors here, right? I guess that's another name for it, glucose monitors. So you can actually scroll down here And we got like one touch right here. So we can write that keyword down. One touch glucose meter, right? And then of course you could do like a review around that. But even furthermore, just like devices, drugs, right? So what I decided to do, let me go back here, is I went to Google. Of course, Google's your best friend. I went to Google and I typed in list of drugs to treat diabetes. And look, this website, healthline.com, has a ton of different keywords and a list of keywords and drugs that help with diabetes, right? So you got insulin, aspart, you've got Novolog, you've got acarbose. I can't even pronounce most of these. You got metformin. You got alogliptin. I can't even pronounce these guys. And so on and so forth. You got a lot of these different drugs. So what I started doing is I took one of these drugs and I plugged them into the keyword planner, right? So I would plug it in right here, like for example, metformin. And I'd get just a list of different drugs related to metformin, as well as metformin itself in the search volume right here. So we got different variations of metformin, you got side effects, and this is all sorted by relevance. What I would do is I would then find another drug name and I would copy this and I would paste it up here to find even more drug names. So I would save all these, right? You can add them to your plan over here, or you could just copy them to a spreadsheet as well, which is what I did. So what I decided to do is I kept brainstorming. I'd take a new keyword and I'd come up here and I'd type it in, and then I'd select get ideas. And I'd get even more ideas until, you create a pretty long list of different keywords and different drugs with other variations of the drug name, like side effects, dosage, 10 milligrams, 100 milligrams, right? And then you can use YouTube's instant search to find even more variations of the keyword. So if I type in, like, for example, Januvia, right? This one here, Januvia. If we just type in Januvia itself, check it out. You got reviews, commercial, 100 milligrams, palate, pronunciation, commercial, mechanism of action video, side effects, drug side uses. You have all different variations, right? So what I did is I created just a list, a small list to start. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to hire somebody to kind of be the voiceover. It might be a PowerPoint presentation. It might be like a talking head presentation. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there and I'm going to find out topics or different articles, right, around these topics. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to model those articles or even copy those articles, give them to the voiceover person. And they're basically going to take that information and they're going to create a video around it. Right, so it's gonna be super easy, and then I might add some things at the end to where there's like a call to action telling people to click the link in the description of my video, and then it's gonna lead them to the Big Diabetes Live product. And then like what I'll do before I even do this is send people to a capture page. They'll fill out their information, so I can capture their email address. And then I can follow up with them if they decide to not buy on the first time when they come to this page. But it's going to be really good quality traffic. And if I can just get at least 3 sales a day, that's 100, that's a channel that's making $100 a day. And so my goal is for you guys to use this information, go out there in different niches and model what I'm doing. There's other products in ClickBank based around, cholesterol, high blood pressure, acid reflux, and there's tons of drugs that help treat each and every one of these, right? We can delete that there. So the purpose of this video series is to give you guys ideas. Do not copy me and just kind of watch what I'm doing over my shoulder as I do it. And I know you guys are going to get tons of ideas from this. I had many breakthroughs from watching my mentors do the same thing. So I hope you guys get a lot of value from this. and you can kind of see the whole process come together slowly. So with that said, this is the first video of this video case study series, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next videos. Take care.